Hi, my name is Maggie Varney and I'm the founder and CEO of Wigs for Kids. Welcome. Well, it's that time of the year already. We start making baskets for our annual gala, which is this year, September 9th, 2017. I cannot believe it's been 14 years that we've been, servicing the children of Michigan and providing hope and happiness for them. And this is a celebration of their life, their courage, and their strength. And people have been so generous. We start making baskets in January. My friend Lori and I and my team helps out here, with gathering items throughout the year. People are so kind. And this is a sample of some of the baskets that we made just this weekend. We try to make about 10 a week so that we have 150 of them done by the time gala gets here. And it looks like we go to a store and go shopping, but we actually don't. What we do is we take all the wonderful items that are donated to us and we put them together and we make themed baskets for our guests to enjoy. And we certainly appreciate all the help and support that we get. It makes such a difference. Our gala is sold out, has been for the last 5 years, through the kindness and generosity of people like yourself. So if you have some nice big containers and baskets, we need them because we're in the process of making them. Or any items that you may have at home that is new and you would like to re-gift to Wigs for Kids, we could use them, and we can always find a purpose. So please stop by, visit our center, and of course, if you ever know of a child in need of our services, send them to us. We help everyone. We charge nothing. We turn no one away. And come and help us. Jump in. Help us make some baskets. Put a theme basket together. Donate a few items. We sure appreciate that. Thanks so much. Have a great day.